feel the vibe? Everybody around me gotta feel this way to fuck with me today. Oh, what do you say? I get by the 9 to 5. No, I'm feeling alive and I gotta no ride, but it's okay, baby. I'm a riding the tide in this crypto thing.
As we walking through the mall, rolling up, getting ready to fucking call someone for more because we're running out, smoking out.
I get 2 grams grinded up. I don't know if I have enough for you and me, but that's why they call it weed. If I got it, we got it. Come on and shout it. Someone's always got something to say, and if it's negative, I don't play. I don't really care what you say. I puff, and then I passed my ass right on the floor because my dumb ass couldn't fucking take no more. And this is the story that you can't ignore. Get by on a 9 to 5, now I'm feeling alive. Do you feel the vibe? Everybody around me gotta feel this way to fuck with me today. Oh, what do you say? I get by the 9 to 5. No, I'm feeling alive and I gotta no ride, but it's okay, baby. I'm a riding the tide in this crypto thing. I think it's time to dollar cost average in. And if you don't know, that's a sin. Yeah, we win. That's where we begin.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Boy, do I have a live for you this morning. Pretty excited. And I was thinking in my head this morning, I bought this shirt like 2 years ago. Right, a couple of years ago. The evolution of money when Bitcoin was like 15, 16,000. It's like, did we think that people made this shit for fun? Come on over, hit the like and subscribe. We're talking about going on a ride, hopefully going to the moon. And damn! Is it soon? Is it now? Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Come on over, here it is. We're talking about all-time high subscribers. And you know what? I got to say a little shout out to you subscribers out there, the Wolves of Wall Street this morning. If it wasn't for you guys out here, this channel is gone. This channel is deleted. For the first time in history, out of 3 times we talked about maybe closing up the channel, subscribers went up. The support got increased. You know what the problem is? And I figured it out. We don't have 20,000 fake motherfuckers on the channel. We have 1.7 just about real people. And that is why this channel is having a hard time succeeding, because you're human. There's nothing wrong with that, right? We don't have a bunch of AI bullshit all on this channel. I deleted a lot of them. I blocked a lot of them so they can't hurt you. And that's why the channel isn't succeeding like all those other fake mother effers. So if you're just watching, you're not subscribed, there are reasons why maybe we're having a harder time to get to as high as we'd like to. But that's because Wall Street Pete's a real guy, doesn't want you to get hurt. So maybe that is what's happening. But we're going to talk about this 2 days ago. I did a video 2 days ago. Bitcoin was trading 55,000, ladies and gentlemen.
Wall Street.
How does Wall Street Pete come up with this shit?
Sick dough in crypto.
The title, Bitcoin will hit 69K and fall hard.
Everyone doing 55,800 Bitcoin. We're pretty much at 56,000 Bitcoin. How close are we to all-time highs? I'm just sitting here. I could just sit here and do the rest of this video and just do this. Wall Street.
Now, have you read the title said 69,000 and fall hard? I think that could happen. Now, a lot of people have been following me, right? We're talking about Jasmy. What happened? What happened? We're up here. We're falling. We were trading right here in a video on Jasmy, somewhere around 16632, just say. And I said, yeah, we'll come down all the way 50% and fall. That happened exactly as predicted. I don't know if you noticed this, but go back to the Jasmy video. It's like one of the last 4 videos we did live. Then I said, we'll come all the way to about here. Well, I was wrong on the number. Very close, right? Very close. I don't know what person on this planet is coming to you with these lives and giving you the price of 24 right on the dot, 0.24. That's about where we stopped. And now we're hitting resistance. Sometimes you got to go a little sooner, right? I tell you that. I'm taking my profits sooner than these prices because why? I want to beat the whales. You've heard me say that a million times. So whoever's profitable right now in Jasmy, congratulations. I love it. I love it. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. We got Happy Trails, Rising Sun, Sam Walker, Josh D, Rising Sun again, Dr. Ian Rainey, excuse me, I almost said Ivan. And that's it there. So I appreciate everyone in the comment section. We're talking about how Bitcoin's going to come all the way through, right? We're talking about something different here. So let's get into it instead of the Jasmy talk. But Bitcoin, what's happening? Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, you know already. We've talked about this before, but Bitcoin has never gone 7 months up in a row. Guess what? I expect that to continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 red, 6 green month candles, right? We learned about this shit on Sesame Street. I don't believe that we're going to continue. You can look at the last time we were in a bull run. Well, we did this in October 2020, and we just couldn't achieve those 6 months and beyond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to count normal. We're no longer Count Dracula. You know, if you're on your phone right now, people are probably looking around. You're like, well, what the fuck is this guy listening to? Sorry, and I'm sorry for yelling. So here we are right now talking about some resistance. I think we're going to fall here. Now, if we don't, and this FOMO continues, that's where the all-time high 69,000 comes into play. And you can see how we could tail up and continue to get there. That's a big possibility. So I want people to understand how important. So hit the like and subscribe, because we're doing shit that people have never seen before. Now, all of this considering, well, what's happening next? Well, the Bitcoin halving is coming. We're very familiar with all of this. So what do we think could happen? Well, a couple months after, we're going to come back up. What's going to happen is that the miners are going to receive a little less, creating some scarcity, and the supply, I mean, the demand is still going to be there. The supply is shrinking, but the demand is still going to be there. 2.33 trillion market cap. I could only have dreamed of this back months ago, of this happening. Bitcoin fighting all the way back to maybe an all-time high of 64 for this year, and possibly further. So we're going to talk about that. If this is the turn down now, well, we have 2 days left. Tomorrow is February 29th. Today is the 28th, as you can see here. So February 28th, what I think is going to happen, we have 2 days to pump even more. Now, I want to get to the daily, and I want you to understand that this is my number one trigger, EMA. We're way above. I love trading below it. Why? Because it's very profitable when I long. You can see how nice and how many times you get under the EMA. It doesn't happen too many times. 27,000, 24,000, and as you can see, all the way to 15.9. Doesn't happen too many times. So we got the EMA up for you, showing you what's going on, exponential moving average. We're way above there. And what I see going on from each candle representing one day is I'm going to watch the rest of this day for the next 9 hours and 47 minutes like a hawk. So Bitcoin, right now, we have had very successful days, and I don't know if that's going to continue. So as we sit here and watch each day rise through the roof, I am going to see what this day does, and that is going to give me a 2 day in a row down. That's when I believe I could do my Fibonacci sequence, stating that, hey, we'll start doing a pullback, most likely 50%, 100% on that. And that's kind of funny, no pun intended. 50% pullback. I expect that to 100% definitely happen. So it sounded kind of funny. So let's see what happens. Let's do it real quick. I want to show you what I'm talking about. We come all the way to 69,000. This happens, right? We get to 69K, and we're going to do this for you. No one else does this for you, but this is what I think can happen. We're going to come all the way through here now. We're talking about when we were dead, and that's not it even either. Wow. Usually it would come back all the way through to here, and this could be off a little because I think I'm supposed to be down here on this pivot. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. Let's do it right. I want to do it right, ladies and gentlemen. I want to give you something precise. This is amazing stuff. I know people get bored of this shit, but you know what? This is incredible shit right now. So I think that if we come all the way through to 69,000 Bitcoin, right? Doesn't it make sense that we could possibly do this now at this point in time? So we come all the way through to this 69. Now, you know, a lot of investors already understand, yeah, we could go to 100. You're going to get a bunch of people that think that are happening. But this is what I think is going to happen. If we're continuing to go up, well, like I said, I'm going to watch this like a hawk, this daily. If we start finishing below this peak here, I know that for a fact we're going to start getting a retracement. We're talking about this. So we only have 2 days. We have a 2 day window right now, okay? Where did this dotted line shit come from? I don't know. When the hell did I do that? I don't know what's going on with the dotted line stuff. I didn't do that on purpose. All right, well, we got the line still. It's very important. So you can see here right now, very important in the price, how important this is. Oh, man, my whole chart system, everything's screwed up because they decide to change. TradingView decides to play with the chart stuff too much. Leave the shit alone and leave it alone. Yeah, see, here we go. I have all my stuff in order, and when I flip on my phone, it does things by itself and starts screwing up. So 64,000. If we don't start breaking up above 64.1, I expect Bitcoin to most likely, and I'm talking about finishing a candle above, to go down. So what I have here is these levels. People are getting bored. I'm sorry if you're leaving, but this is what I'm talking about. And my name ain't Steven. Can I change that? Where is it right now? It is annoying. There's the line. There we go. Let's get in action here. Talking about the golden pocket, right? That's where I think we can come through. Talking about the 58,000, this is a 38.2 pullback. And now these are some of the areas as I clean this up, excuse me. It's another call out. This takes a while. I do this live for you, not before. I do it live on purpose because you're going to do this with me. And maybe one day you'll learn. You'll watch what I'm doing after a while. So what we see happening here right now is these are the pullbacks from 69,000. This is very important to understand that this may not even happen because the FOMO is so sickening. And yeah, usually when I talk about it, it does happen. And I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I'm just trying to be serious. You've been watching me long enough to know that when I say this is a possibility, that this could happen. Now, we have no indicators up at all. Let me get those stochastic oscillator. Of course, it tells me I can't use it. Why? We have no indicators out. Remove indicators. Oh, the EMA was up there. So hit the like and subscribe, comment if you'd like to. Somebody wanted me to go over Solana this morning. It's tough to do. You can see how high we are on my oscillator. We're definitely way overbought up here. You can see how high. Definitely looking to get a fall. So the more and more I look at this, I think today could be the day. So let's... Sucks. My price is 54,500. Now I got to erase this because we're talking about what could happen today. Now, what if we're doing it now? What if it's happening now, Wall Street, Pete? Because this could be very well happening now. We only have 2 days left. Remember that. And after that, I believe March is to the down. Just 1 month down. Perhaps maybe April fools us. But if you're not watching this, you could be very fooled. And that's why I'm doing this video. This is the now prices. That would be very fucked up because some of these prices are a lot lower than I thought. But we're talking about this one. And we're going to do the last three here. Now, if we're falling right now, these are the possibilities of where I think we could go if we're not repumping up. So those are the two scenarios, the two situations I think can happen for Bitcoin. So please take this with a grain of salt and understand 54,400, that comes up twice, whether it's on the 69,000 or it's coming now at 64,000. That price seems to be the common denominator. So I don't know if you've noticed that, but before we went, a 50% pullback usually in a typical bull market at 69 would have been this price. That's at 69. I know it went higher. Now, if we don't, no, I didn't lose audio. We're still here. If we don't, something with your phone, it has to be. If we don't come all the way up to 69K and we're falling now, like I said, the second scenario, what could be happening, and we're falling now, which could make sense because we've really pumped high. But look at this wick. I do expect another wick higher to 69. It makes sense. 54,400 is going to be my buyback, my pullback for probably the next few days, coming into maybe even March. You can see how it is here. April, look at the month. Look at the month on the bottom here. Right to the side here, April 24th. We're talking about April 24th. We can come this high, continue, and go down all the way until April. And then when this comes down, we're going to be coming into the springtime, coming back through and up. And that was a fool you kind of situation. So that's what I think can happen. That's what I think is going to happen. The Bitcoin halving is in 56 days. So we still have to go 56 days through. I don't think we're going to continue to go up. Matter of fact, after the Bitcoin halving is occurring, I think that's when we're really going to still be coming down. So really understand what I think is going on. We called that Jasmy price, huh? Jasmy's unbelievable. We did call some of the Jasmy prices. It's fantastic to see what's going on. I don't expect Jasmy to go back to 35 cents or anything significantly crazy, but we did that. So a couple people want to know. Well, you know, Bitcoin is in the top 74% up in the week alone. Pretty exciting. Where were you October of 2023, when my video, the only video I've ever said to buy Bitcoin, I challenge you to buy now. Bitcoin was trading 27,000 on that video. Go check it out. I challenged, I yelled, I screamed, I said, everyone right now buy, even whether it's $100, buy a certain amount, 1,000, all of it. I don't know, whatever makes you feel comfortable and happy, so that when it goes up, you're in a profitable situation and you're happy. That's exactly what I said. I don't want to play the video again, but that's what I remember saying. Guess what? I'm happy. This looks like we could be getting a little sideways action here before another third leg up. That's what I'm seeing here from the daily on Jasmy, so expect probably some consolidation like that. Wall Street, Pete, Signal, and Crypto. I had one person who wanted me to go over Solana. I guess let's do it. We have enough people live right now. And Solana, yo mama, damn. My price was 144. I don't know if anyone knows that. A few people that follow me, maybe you remember now, but no, I have a lot of charts that were saying, yeah, I was going to get out probably 122, but that's not the way. That's why you dollar cost average. And if you pay attention, ooh, back that, I didn't do that. If you pay attention to the old chart that I keep doing here, I expect Solana to come all the way up to 143. I love you. I don't know why these keep doing that. I don't love that. But I do have it. I have it very much. So Solana, a lot of people were wondering where Solana's going. If you look at the old significant area that gave me a problem. We're probably coming through there. And I've said this 100 times. This channel is amazing. I mean, the TA is better. The TA is much better. Would I love to be a millionaire, have hundreds of thousands of dollars, and pay some TA guy, not TA guy, some IT guy, excuse me, to do better videos for you so you get excited and see the guy pop up and emojis and all the movement? Like, is that really necessary? Who gives a flying what? The information is more important. I have this up here. I keep putting the price up there, doubling like it's going to change. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been here. I've told you about this. I expect resistance after this. We weren't sitting here waiting, saying, oh, 143 one day, haha, Solana's going to be there. No, I said that I am buying and I'm longing, and I said I'm preparing for it to go through a dollar cost average out slowly at 122. That's what I said. You can see we got a little resistance around there. Great, we're breaking through. 144 was the number. 143, I love you. If you ever had a girlfriend that texts you 143 or beeper text you, you get what I'm talking about. So this is what's happening. I'm excited. Thoughts on GOD net price, ticker GEOD. See, I like that. That's pretty cool. That's what I'm talking about. That's Josh. That's exactly prime example of what I want. Josh, when somebody says, hey, could you look at this, Jasmy? It doesn't always have the abbreviation ticker JASMY, exactly. Bitcoin, BTC. It's not BIT coin. So thank you very much, Josh. I'm actually going on my phone immediately. What is that? And that's what I want. It's what I want for people. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your support. This channel, I know that we got a lot of likes. I do, and I'm letting you know right now, we're here live because of you. Nobody else. Nobody else. Not because of Bitcoin, not because of anything else. So we're looking at Solana. I'm trying to get what you said because there's so much shit going on right now. GEOD. And here we are looking at GEOD. I wish I knew what it did. That would really get me excited. Does it trade on MEX? Because I trade MEX a decent amount here. No, it does not. It seems to be new. It definitely seems to be very new. Oh, yeah, this is new. I don't have any charts for this right now, Josh. You must be getting into something very, very new. The ones I'm going into are telling me it doesn't even have a chart for it yet, so I do apologize. But I will definitely do more information, do more research on it so I can give you some information. So sorry about that, Josh. That doesn't always happen. But yeah, that's pretty hard to tell. Looking at Biconomy, right? Biconomy, 43 cents. We're moving. The big mover I see right now, almost 70 cents. Holy shenanigans, is Cardano. The big fat mano. And what did you see here that starts a big jump? When I see a new high, show me a new buy. This is exactly the situation where I like to get bullish on a crypto asset. Yeah, I'm going to definitely do it. Definitely going to do it. No doubt about it. CMC, that's Christian McCaffrey. So I can't forget that one. I almost spit my coffee all over my desk just now. So what do we have here? Let's analyze. Well, I got Bitcoin. I got Cardano. Going to about $1.15 next, if possible. We'll see the dollar coming very shortly, it looks like. Why would I get such balls to say that? And why would it be so comfortable? When you become a trader like me and you've been seeing numbers for a while in charts like this, you'll see what I'm talking about. What's happening here is we're blowing away the competition for the Cardano lovers. There's a big cup and handle that formed here that started this big bullish momentum. I'm not sure if you see it here, but what happens is it forms this kind of thing here. And now it's off to the races. So what's going to happen here is we're coming through up, and you can see that this line of bullish momentum hasn't stopped here. I want to get rid of the indicator. I want to show you what I'm talking about. This right here, my friends, on the daily, this has to get the CME gap filled. We have to fill this gap, so I'm going to have to probably title this Cardano, Jasmy, and Solana. We talked a little bit about it. Very important to know that Solana is going up to 143, and you're going to have to short that or do what you need to do. Cardano right now is slowly steady and winning the race. You can see what really happened. Huge cup and handle. I don't know if people get that. I predicted all of this. You have to hit the like and subscribe. This channel could have a fucking million subscribers if you all did your job and paid attention. It's starting to happen. I'm starting to see it go up. We're doing negative videos and you guys are going up in subscribers, which means that the real people that are here, and we don't have bots, they're making headway. They're making moves. Cup and handles inside cup and handles. Very, very bullish pattern. Very, very bullish. We have another small cup and handle, which could lead to a huge shock coming up here, which I see a rally anywhere from 115 to the 103 range. That's where I expect Cardano's next slow, steady, and win the race sideways boring action. So that's what I'm talking about. Pay attention to it. It's very important. I'm on TradingView right now. I did put that in. I put the ticker in. I'll do it again just to show you. I mean, I could definitely show you. Let's see, DNet. Maybe that's what I didn't do. And I do have it here. It's on Uniswap. So to get it through, it's on the Polygon network. There it is. I finally got it, actually. Thank you so much. You know what? That was a huge help. And it's doing similar to the same kind of thing. I actually have it. It's got an upward W right now on my phone. You can see the chart, and it probably looks exactly like it. What are we on here? We're on a daily. If I started breaking it down, I can't get it on. I cannot get it on to here. But I finally got it. GEOD net token. It's a Polygon. It's a Polygon layer project, which is pretty cool. I see here, and right now, currently, it is rallying very nice. I do see that, and I'll tell you right now, if you want to see where resistance is going to go, and I think it's going to continue. I do not think it's going to top 1.5 cents. So if you're listening right now, Josh, which I know you are, if it breaks 1.5 cent, this thing is going berserk right now. So just want people to know that, and the chances of that are, I guess, decent because of we're in a bull market, right? A lot of people make fun of me when they say that. Oh, we're in a bull market. Everything should be going up, right? A lot of those assets, it's called a shitcoin usually, but it might not be a shitcoin. It's a Polygon Matic token. So, I mean, that's, you know, that's not a shitcoin of a shitcoin. Imagine getting Shiba Inu. Imagine getting the Shiba Inu airdrop. Like, guys, you're buying a shitcoin of a shitcoin. So if a piece of shit took a shit, you would buy the piece of shit. Like, guys, stop that. And then you cry, oh, we got rug pulled. Oh. Well, that was your fault. So Bitcoin right now, talking about that, what's happening? We got Bitcoin, Solana, Cardano, and Jasmy. Those are very important crypto assets we talked about today. Pay attention to what's happening. It's very volatile. I've made money crazy. I'd like to do a video on ACH. Anybody want to know more about ACH? If you'd like to, let me know. I think I missed on this. I whiffed. I'm really upset if I did. I was doing a 15-minute chart, and I was trying to find out when was a good time to buy on the next pull-up. It's now. And what did I do? Well, I put an order to buy in at the 28.7. The mother effort didn't fill. Do you believe this shit? 28.7. I was supposed to buy back, and this bitch didn't fill. I kid you not. I tried to beat the 665, this 28.665, because I do my own shit for me. And that's unbelievable. I just want people to know that this can happen to you. It's very frustrating. I don't expect this to go down further. ACH, this is a good one. I put in 28.7. I kid you effing not. And my order is not filled from what I'm aware of. No, open orders. Ready? Let's see the fucking price. I'm so annoyed right now. My price is 0.0287, and it did not fill. Do you fucking believe this? 0.0287. I kid you not. I can show you on my phone. I put this order in to buy because my Fibonacci level told me a pullback of 50% in this current move right now. It looks pretty tasty. I mean, this is what we do, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you make sick dough in crypto. People don't believe in the system. People don't believe in me, and it's their fault. It's not my fault. But yeah. This is what could happen. This is why I'll be making money. You got to hit the like and subscribe. You can see what's going on now and where I think we're going to head forward. Not financial advice. This is number twice as nice, and I think that we will get the same kind of move. So please take this with a grain of salt. This was what my next move was going to be. I'm kind of pissed off right now. I'm watching this shit go up as I fucking missed it by a 0.5. And excuse my cursing because this is very natural. This happens to a lot of people. We'll probably double tap out at the 32. You know how much fucking money I'm missing out on, you little mother. All right. So what do? We wait for a pullback and we dollar cost average in. I'm sorry, but that's what you got to do. So I'm watching right now, 15-minute chart. I'm doing it live. If you want to trade with me live, it's totally up to you. It's not financial advice. And what did we do? Well, we had a limit for that price, and we put the fucking limit order in. I'm cursing. I'm getting mad here because I'm doing stupid shit. It should be up right now, as you can watch right now live. Trade on leverage. Trade at your own risk. It's not easy to do this. This will come straight down. You'd get liquidated. You would get liquidated immediately. So, Alchemy Pay. A lot of people know ACH deposits, right? We're talking about ACH deposits with you, real money. Well, this is ACH. Maybe now I got another fucking crypto I got to put on the title. I love this crypto show, though. It's one of the best. But what I think is going to happen... yeah, you will get this. This is a possibility. I do see this top M. I'm a little concerned. What happens is you get stuff like that, and then you'll see. So be careful. But I expect that we could retest that price. So that's why your dollar cost average in, as look at this, it's trying to make me see that already. So you got to be super, super careful. So maybe my order is going to hit. That's what could be happening. You can see this M right now. Here we go. We'll see. We'll see. It's a 15-minute chart. Every 15 minutes, I get a new candle. So that gives me time to really understand what's happening. So you just do one of these. And this is if you'll know if the pump is for... How do I know if the pump is for real? What would you do, Pete? Oh, I'm showing you right now. Usually people would pay for this. And, you know, I started thinking that one day on my channel, for the people who've been here for a long time, they're free. You're free for life. But the people who come and go and leave, one day when I start subscribing, it's probably going to be like $10 a subscriber a month. Not for you guys, so please don't get upset. Talking about the future people. Why? Because people are shallow. Certain people don't deserve this information, but the people who've been here before, you all deserve it. We can get something very similar to this, and this is what we're looking for. We're getting it now. We're getting it now. Like I said, you got to be careful. That's why a dollar cost average in. I'm already in now, so in case that this breaks through here, but that is my trend right now. So what is the real trend, ladies and gentlemen? The real trend is up, right? We could talk about that. We could break it down. Looking at that, it's pretty clear to me that if you check out, do a channel, we're just having fun this morning. Wall Street Pete's breaking down, trying to help some people out on how to trade, because this is what I would do. I'm trading on leverage. These are some of the things I like to do. It keeps me in the money. It keeps me moving smoothly. You can see, got a nice up, one leg up. We're going for the second leg up. We haven't even got a third leg up yet. So I think this is fairly new in a bounce. ACH, I do believe in the project. I do like the project, actually. It looks like it's going to die down a bit. Another 12 minutes. I do like to trade for tip, just to help you out, not financial advice. Trading on leverage or trading in and out on spot, which is tough. You want to pay attention to when the candle is going to open or close. You'll find that you get the most movement off a candle getting ready to close. Like right now, I'm getting major resistance. So what's happening is I'm expecting this candle most likely to close at a significant area. That area is telling me that most likely it's going to be down. So now what I'm doing is I'm closing my position out. I was dollar cost averaging in. I don't like what I see. I did believe in the 50% pullback, but I am overbought here on the oscillator that I truly love so much. And the more and more I keep showing the drawing, I'm showing the symmetrical pattern, falling wedge, bullish pattern. I'm seeing that maybe we could be going down and doing something like that. So that's what I'm really looking for in another test and then a breakout. So if I'm seeing this happen, and I'm just trying to show people what I do, these are some of the things I like to trade on. 15-minute is tough. It's only leverage trading. I wouldn't do this on spot buy. That's kind of what I'm looking at. I can even do a real quick fib. So it could be fooling us, but the trend to the down, as you can see, until we break out of the pattern, until you're comfortable with that and seeing how it really happens, you're not going to be comfortable out of it yet. Then you see we come back into the golden pocket. What happens? We fall through. So just got to keep that going, cup and handle, perhaps. We'll see if that happens next. But we are coming down. See how I got out? I am not losing a cent out of this. Why? Because I got out even money. Not doing stupid shit. My order will actually fill. I had a little hissy fit for no reason, apparently. It's still coming down, and I may even be able to get cheaper prices. It may look like I may even get to 28 right on the money. I meant to say. So 0.02. So we're talking about ACH now, just doing a little example of how I would trade on leverage, how I would kind of do this and deal with this. You can see we're getting dead cat bounces. You can see perfect prime falling wedge here. Pretty nice on a little 15. But you can see the next leg up. Then people take profits. Where were we at? Well, this was the top. So this would be my next move. If we are coming down here and we're not finished, well, then we're going to retest this price. So I have my order in at 28.7. Completely up to you. Patience is a virtue, 100%. We're not going to know if this is still coming until we see the 10 minutes left. So in 10 minutes, which is what? The 9:45 Eastern time in the morning, I'll be paying attention probably by 10 o'clock. So this is how I do it. By 10 o'clock, 10:15, 11 o'clock Eastern time, I expect to maybe be taking profits. Well, not taking profits. I'll be watching. I'll be in profits. Taking profits, who the hell knows? Maybe lunchtime, as you can see here coming down. But this is kind of some of the crazy shit I do. You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised how much it works. You'd be surprised. I have no history of this price for the 15, so I'm trying to switch here. Damn, on this chart. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So this is what we're talking about, and this is why it makes sense to maybe retouch and fall. Coming all the way up to here, but we had resistance here last time, and then we had support. So support flipping into resistance, coming down. We would like to see a range of some trading right in this box. So that's what I'm looking for. We're looking for this to come through, come up, and then when we get to the 15-minute, as you can see, we're in it. So that's what I'm looking for right here. Keep trading and trading, getting boring sideways action. Build support here. Don't break. The more and more we keep doing that, you will see what's happening. And then eventually at this 287, I expect a major break to the upside. If I'll dollar cost average out here, 100% going to dollar cost average out at the tip of this pattern. I don't know what you plan on doing, but this is going to be my strategy. I don't know if you're going to hold forever or whatever the hell you plan on doing. I make money every day trading, and this is how I've been doing it. So what you got to do now is see where we're coming through, and I do believe that this is going to be the magic number for me to dollar cost average. Now, what I'm going to do is play with house money. I'm going to keep the rest. So 50%, I'll be in a profit. I'll be house money. House money, I have more money than I initially invested. I took profits, right? Say I took $100, $1,000 profit. I started with 500. I'm up 500. And now I still have another 500 here that I'm risking because it's not mine and it's house money. And I'm going to see if we can continue to get this to go up. What would happen? I would get an upward W that would break through right here. Come in, boom, like this. This is an upward W. Don't tell me you don't see it. Helen Keller could see this mother effer. And, that's what we're talking about. So we're talking about ACH this morning. We talked about Jasmy, Solana, and Cardano, and obviously Bitcoin. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Technical analysis from a gentleman who actually knows what the fuck they're doing. It's pretty helpful. I'm not always correct. I do make mistakes. It's very possible. But you've been watching me for the past couple of years or 3 years or whatever, how long. You are excited for this video. So Bitcoin up 72% just about, getting a little trace with PNG. Might want to pay attention to PNG. Might be a nice little short there. We'll see. I do not short these things, though. I really don't like to short these things. In a bull market, you will get your ass waxed. So in a bear market, altcoins, they do devastate. They do have a bloodbath. But in a bull market, you really, really got to be careful. I want to be super careful. Thank you. Thank you for the screaming, guys. So that is the end of the video. We do have Wall Street Pete Sickner on crypto. I used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange, this crazy place right here. I actually used to work here. I used to love it. I miss it very much. I wish I could start a GoFundMe and cry to everyone. Oh, help me get back to these living style. I used to make six figures easily. Easily. Just walking around here, you make six figures in New York. Everybody knows that, though. We're talking about the early 2000 era. 24 years ago, it feels like. But 2007, 2008, started basically being told that everything was going to go digital and Wall Street Pete was going to lose his job. And we all laughed and said, yeah, okay, I'm going to keep trading commodities. I'm going to keep doing this shit. And unfortunately, everything started going digital. I started seeing people with all these tablets on around their necks in 2007, 2008. I'm like, what are these guys doing? Oh, they're electronically trading. And I'm like, what the fuck is that? Ladies and gentlemen, it sounds like I'm a dinosaur. That's where we're from. I'm from the dinosaur area of trading. That's it. Wall Street, Pete Sickner, and crypto. I appreciate it. I've had mixed emotions over the past couple days, few weeks, and you guys have been slightly nothing but amazing. I really want to tell you, this channel, I want to give back. This channel doesn't want to explode. I don't want to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can fucking reap the benefits, okay? Maybe you have to wait for it to happen to see it. But I want to give back. Not many people understand that. I want to be the Mr. Beast of crypto. Did you ever fucking see Mr. Beast? He's amazing. He's getting annoying. He's running out of shit to do, Mr. Beast, as you can tell. He started off with helping people see that had bad stuff in their eyes they couldn't see. He paid like $1 million or hundreds of thousands of dollars as my order just got filled at the 28. Yes, there we go. 28.7 filled. I cried about it in this video. Got it filled. I hope I don't cry and get my ass kicked, but I do have it filled, so we'll see what happens. ACH did fill my order. I'm in a profit at the current second. We talk about this stuff. Leverage trading, maybe we'll do more. But just want you guys to know, you have to be careful in this space. There's a lot of different things going on right now, and I'm sorry I'm keep interrupting the stories, but hang tight with me. I promise I'm going to be giving back. Things are going to be getting really nice. And I always talked about the poor people in the wintertime. It gets cold. You guys are sitting under your fireplaces, looking at your tablet or watching movies with your family. And Josh D, I do have that GOD net. I'm going to check it out for you, maybe do a short video. But that's what we do for the followers. So hit the like, subscribe, become a follower after the end of this video. If you have a crypto asset you would like to see in one of our short videos that we do shorts, we do lives, we do it all. Let me know the ticker. Let me know the name. And then I will check the utility. I will check everything out. And we'll see what, not financial advice, but what would Wall Street Pete do on the charts? I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very long one, but it was a very good one. Take care, everyone. Have a fantastic week. It's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. We will be doing a video either tonight Or tomorrow morning, 100%. Wall Street's back. Sick dough in crypto. Thank you so much for all your love. You guys have a great day. And you know what I want to do? I want to do a shout out. I want to do a quick goodbye. We haven't done this in a long time. And maybe I don't get in trouble for it. But maybe we'll just do the instrumental. But nah, we're going to do it. I fucking love this song. I can't help it. But I hope you guys have a good day. I mean that. We're going to end the show with this song. It's been a real long time. But hey, I hope you guys have a good day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough, and crypto. We're gonna have a good day.
And I said,
yeah, baby.
No,
woo!
Instead of waiting on the good
they know what kind of die today. We're gonna have a good day.
And all my homies gonna ride today.
That's right.
We're gonna die today.
And all we wanna do is get
By today, hey, we're gonna have a good day.
ain't nobody gotta
Die today. Body gotta die today. Trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day. All right, guys, you take care before I get this little copyright thing. Have a good day.